Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B0010-11 indicates a short to ground in the front passenger's airbag first inflator of the Honda Accord 2023 Plus, specifically highlighting a fault within the supplementary restraint system, SRS. This error code signifies that an issue was detected when the SRS unit observed a current or voltage in the detection line that exceeded specified limits. The SRS unit is responsible for assessing airbag deployment and safety mechanisms within the vehicle, providing crucial data during and after collisions. This troubleshooting process involves diagnosing the front passenger's airbag, the SRS unit itself, and the external circuitry for potential failures or shorts. Essential components that may be involved include the front passenger's airbag and the SRS unit located in the dashboard area, both integral for passenger safety. Furthermore, specific tools such as the SRS Inflator simulator and related leads are required to accurately carry out the troubleshooting steps outlined in this diagnostic guide. The front passenger's airbag plays a critical role in the safety mechanisms of the Honda Accord. Designed to deploy rapidly during frontal impacts to mitigate injury, the SRS unit, or Supplementary Restraint System unit, is located in the dashboard area and continually monitors airbag functionality and deployment criteria. In the case of DTC B0010-11, the SRS unit detects abnormalities by measuring current and voltage on its detection line. If these measurements exceed predetermined levels, it triggers the error code, alerting the driver to potential issues with airbag deployment. These components work in tandem. While the front passenger's airbag provides physical protection, the SRS unit ensures that airbag deployment is functional and operative during an accident. Proper inspection and testing of these units are vital to confirm their operational status following an error code detection. The possible causes for DTC B0010-11 include a short to ground in the front passenger's airbag inflator circuit, a malfunctioning SRS unit, or various wiring issues leading to improper connections. When a short to ground occurs, it effectively bypasses the normal resistance level, causing the SRS unit to register a fault. Additionally, a faulty SRS unit can misinterpret signals from the airbag due to internal failures, leading to the creation of this error code. Other wiring issues could range from damaged insulation, loose connections, or corrosion, all of which may disrupt the expected circuit integrity. Addressing these components during diagnostics is critical, as the presence of any of them can jeopardize airbag functionality, underscoring the importance of thorough checks as per the outlined troubleshooting steps. Symptoms associated with DTC B0010-11 may include the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard, indicating a fault within the airbag system. Additionally, if the front passenger's airbag is non-deploying, this raises serious concerns regarding the safety measures in place during a collision, which could endanger occupants. If the SRS unit is malfunctioning, the entire airbag system may fail to operate correctly, reducing the response in emergency situations. Drivers may also notice unusual behavior from the SRS unit during self-checks or diagnostics. Collectively, these symptoms highlight the necessity for prompt diagnosis and repair to ensure passenger safety and compliance with safety regulations. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0010-11 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and waiting for a period of 10 seconds. This step is critical as it allows the vehicle's SRS system to initialize and prepare for diagnostics. Proper functioning of the SRS system can only be assessed after it has been allowed the necessary time to configure itself. Observing the indicator lights during this time can offer insights into the system's initial state and whether or not any immediate faults are present. If the system operates without issues during this period, further inspections can proceed. Otherwise, the error code may require deeper analysis based on immediate findings. In the second step of troubleshooting, the focus shifts to the front passenger's airbag. The airbag's inflator connector must be disconnected to ensure safety and facilitate a thorough inspection process. Before disconnecting any SRS-related connectors, it's crucial to follow the 12-volt battery terminal disconnection procedure and wait for at least 3 minutes to safely discharge the system. This precaution is paramount as it prevents accidental deployment of the airbag during inspection. The airbag connection will then be examined visually for damage, corrosion, or other signs that may indicate a malfunction. If damage is evident, replacement is necessary, and further tests on the SRS circuit may need to be conducted to confirm the airbag's condition. After preparing the components, connect the terminals of the SRS simulator lead to the SRS inflator simulator, ensuring correct positioning of the 2-ohm connectors. This connection is a pivotal part of simulating operational conditions for thorough testing of the front passenger's airbag circuit. The simulator effectively mimics normal operational parameters, allowing for a comparative assessment when performing the confirmation procedure. Once the connections are made, proceed to recheck the vehicle's SRS system conditions. If DTC B0010-11 continues to appear after confirmation, the front passenger's airbag is confirmed as the fault source. However, if no fault is indicated, it directs the technician to consider other related components that may be contributing to the detected issue. With the front passenger's airbag checked, the next step involves inspecting the external circuits, particularly focusing on the RA1+ and RA1- wires. Both RA1+ and RA1- are integral to establishing proper connectivity between the SRS unit and the airbag. This inspection requires disconnection of the SRS unit connector A and connecting the appropriate terminals to check for shorts or open circuits. Ensuring that the RA1+ wire is not shorted to ground involves checking the resistance, which should exceed 1 megaohm when operating under normal conditions. Similarly, monitoring the RA1- wire for shear indications will substantiate circuit integrity. If shorts are present, corrective measures must be applied to rectify wiring issues or replace damaged sections to restore the circuit's functionality, ensuring the airbag deployment is not compromised. The final troubleshooting step targets the SRS unit itself, especially if all previous inspections indicate normal conditions. This step acknowledges that when no faults are detected in the preceding components or wiring, the SRS unit may be the underlying cause of DTC B0010-11. Inspection of the SRS unit should involve careful analysis for any internal defects, connection failures, or programming issues that may compromise its intended function. Radiographical assessments, if available, may also provide additional insights into any faults within the SRS circuitry. Once established that the SRS unit is malfunctioning, necessary replacement or reprogramming protocols should be initiated, aligning with manufacturer's specifications to restore optimal operation of the airbag system. Upon completion of all troubleshooting and repairs related to DTC B0010-11, the final repair verification process is essential. This involves clearing the DTC from the vehicle system to ensure that any previous faults are no longer logged in the SRS unit's memory. Subsequently, it is vital to confirm that the entire SRS system operates correctly. This may involve running diagnostic checks, activating the airbag system, and analyzing any error codes that might reappear. A successful verification will indicate not only repair completion, but also the assurance that the airbag system is fully functional and ready for deployment during emergencies. This step is crucial for overall vehicle safety, providing peace of mind to both the technician and vehicle occupants. Preventive maintenance is a crucial aspect of managing the SRS system within the Honda Accord. Regular inspections of airbag components, wiring harnesses, and the SRS unit should be conducted to identify and address potential issues before they escalate to full fault conditions like DTC B0010-11. It is equally important to ensure that all airbag components are installed correctly and compliant with manufacturer specifications. Correct installation minimizes risks associated with airbag deployment failures, leading to improved overall vehicle safety. Furthermore, any signs of wear or deterioration in the SRS system should prompt immediate attention. Tracking vehicle repairs can also contribute to the longevity and efficiency of the airbag system, ensuring continuous protection for occupants. In summary, addressing DTC B0010-11 requires a comprehensive understanding of the airbag system and its components, notably the front passenger's airbag and the SRS unit. By carefully following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can accurately diagnose the underlying issues while ensuring safety protocols are observed throughout the process. Key points from this guide emphasize the importance of all connections, regular system checking, and the crucial role of the SRS unit in assuring passenger safety during emergencies. Implementing preventative maintenance consistently will reduce the likelihood of encountering similar DTC faults in the future. As such, adhering to manufacturer guidelines and proactive inspections will provide lasting benefits to the reliability of the Honda Accord's airbag system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.